today I decided to change it up a little bit. We're doing a POV, getting some POV action. Decided to pull out the GoPro. It's been a minute. So for here, let's try some first gear. This summer we did a lot of mods to the FA5. Really happy with the outcome. Yeah, it's just a fun car to drive every day now. Get one more pull, second gear. Oh man. This car is amazing. So while I'm on this drive, I want to talk about why I love the Civic Si. So I've had this car for almost 2 years now, and it's been good to me. It's been very fun. Once you add a few little mods, this car starts to get more exciting. And a lot of people ask me, is this car a good first car? And I'd have to say yes. This is my first car, and I've been enjoying it. Haven't had any issues. Granted that you take care of the car, do your oil changes, do your maintenance. But yeah, this car has been fun. The Civics are not the fastest car, but like they have a lot of potential. The K series motors can take a lot. If you want to make power, you can boost it, supercharge or go turbo. Even naturally aspirated, full bolt-ons, this car is pretty quick. Shit. Yeah, like these cars are just fun. And a lot of people, when they buy cars, they don't think about operating them. To maintain this car, oil changes are not that expensive. If you have problem with parts, the parts for this car is not that expensive as well. 6-speed manual. It has a decent amount of fuel mileage. What else? Why else do I like this car? High revving VTEC. It's just all day. You can do this all day, and this car can take it. Never gets old. When you're cruising around town, the car is smooth. Starting off in first, it doesn't take that much to get going. Other manual cars, the clutch takes a bit to get going. This car is just Simple like that. Just a little bit of gas, clutch control, and you're good to go. Having said that, this car is also not perfect. Some people have issues with their transmissions. It's like a hit or miss. 8th gens is like, some of them are good, some of them are not. 9th gens, for the most part, they're pretty good. But me, I haven't had major issues. My transmission feels notchy, but I've gotten used to it. I've changed the fluid multiple times, but that's just how it is. I don't normally grind, but sometimes here and there I do. But it's all part of the car as well. Like I said, this car is not perfect, but for the most part, man, you can't go wrong with the Civic Si. Bolt-ons are nice. It's not that hard. There's lots of parts available to modify this car, and it will just take care of you. Once you take care of this car, it will definitely take care of you. I use this car as a daily. It takes me to work, takes me to school, and I just have fun in it. I feel like people are looking at me weird with the GoPro. I got the GoPro on my head. Got a few looks. So here's the car. So aesthetically, the Civic Si also looks good in my opinion. With the right parts, you can make this car look crazy nice, crazy clean. Some people like to call the Civics racers, but can't hate on Hondas, man. Like, they're pretty good. So overall, I would say this car is like the Civic Si is like a great daily driver. It's just all around good. Performance wise, it's decent. Aesthetically, it's decent. It's just an all around good car. Yeah, I highly recommend it, and I really love this car so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.